Hello, this is Dr. Young, and I am going to go over your last week and the assignment. I think you have two discussions, but one of them is just kind of feedback, I think. Let's see. They've changed this class a little bit, so when I say I think, that means there's some new stuff here they didn't have last term. This one is they had this question. So here you're going to just regular discussion, identify the main HR challenges of international business, and make sure you definitely talk about the international aspect as opposed to the domestic aspect here in the United States. Select and illustrate a function of HR which you would consider the most important for an international business. So the word here is international. What's different about HR on an international level versus a national level? Okay. You know the requirements by now of all this stuff, so I won't read them. And the other thing here is there's not an assignment. There's two discussions, and I just went to the wrong thing. Okay. So you'll have a reflection board. That's course takeaways. So what did you learn from this course? I mean, basically, that's what you're talking about. Just give me 3 things, and how can you apply that? Some of you have already done that, which is amazing, especially with last week when I was reading discussion boards for week 7, and it was some of you were. Or I know one student was talking about reporting a safety hazard, so that's pretty cool. You're taking some of the things you've learned and applying them, but talk about that overall as far as any of the other things you might be using. I would love to hear it if you haven't talked about it already. So that's it. This is the end of the class. I'm going to grade your projects by Wednesday night, hopefully before then. I'm pretty sure before then, but I'm giving myself to Wednesday night, to be honest, just in case something comes up. So I might have to have some testing done, and so an MRI. So that's why I'm kind of not sure if I can do it Tuesday or Wednesday. It just depends on when I have to do that. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions or concerns about your grades. Take a moment to go over your grade book, and just, if there's anything that doesn't look right, just let me know. I'm not, I want to be as accurate as possible. I'm not perfect, and I make mistakes. So if you see anything doesn't look right, just let me know, and I'll take a look. Otherwise, I hope you've enjoyed this class, and I hope to see you in another class, because I do teach other classes. I teach business ethics, training and development, and I teach, what was that other one I taught? I taught something, compensation and benefits. Sorry, I get confused when you're at 5 colleges and you teach different classes at each one. You're kind of like, okay. But most of mine here are HR courses, obviously, except for the business ethics course. So anyway, I enjoyed being your professor, and if there's anything I can do for you, save my email and let me know. Take care, and the best of luck to you in your future endeavors and in the program. Thanks for listening. Have a great evening.